So first of all, introduce you to our timber frame aluminium clad system, which is a composite product. And at the center of this, we have our I-Core technology, which is a multi-cross laminated timber section. This introduces extra strength and rigidity to a timber frame product and virtually reduces all humidity, so therefore reducing any possibility of warping and ringing. Also, thermal efficiency is excellent. Internally, we have a selection of hardwoods and softwoods to suit your requirements to give a superb, beautiful interior finish. And externally, we're clad in aluminium, and this is available in a multitude of colours and finishes, and includes a thermal break, again, to maximise the thermal efficiency of this product. Secondly, we have our uPVC range of products, totally different material of course, but principles remain the same. We're looking to achieve the best performance from these products as we can. And we do this by designing this ourselves. We extrude all the uPVC units ourselves, and we introduce a multi-chambered frame profile to improve its thermal efficiency, but not just that, it's noise and sound efficiency as well. You may notice from this that the frame wall thicknesses are actually quite thick compared to the majority of the uPVC frames on the market, and this adds to the lifetime expectancy of a product. So we're very proud to pitch this in the marketplace. And again, performance at the forefront. We have a variety of finishes available on the internals, externally aluminium clad with a very wide range of surface finishes as well.